coming on my ring. You're on your ring. Your mom. My mom is no such thing.
It wasn't me. I said did. I think I did. Yeah, I know you did. I said your mom.
Yeah, that's the one.
It wasn't me. It was Dick.
That's not what.
It was hilarious.
But you guys laugh it. Twirling my spaghetti. Something about public brand soda mixed with. Wait. No, it's more than that. Usually it's like half a plate of I spaghetti. can't fit that much in my mouth. Okay, let me reenact him.
Approximately it. And I want to stab him in the throat every time.
In the throat? While I was doing that, yeah, start pain right here. We have cupcakes to ice.
Are we killing them? Are we a part of the mob now?
What?
Chris gets it.
I'm so confused.
You said,
Technically, yes, because we were in the house.
you said we have cupcakes to ice. That's usually what the mob says to kill somebody.
Not anymore. Now they just say
Well,
I don't like what a mob says. That's not part of the mob. Oh,
I'm sure.
I think I'm hot.
I think the guy who plays Chase on House is hot.
What?
The Australian guy on House.
The one that sleep with the girl at the house.
Yeah. Hey, she was on drugs, okay?
I think Matt's hot.
The house is always on. We'll never be out. The house and I watch the Christmas days. But she tells the story.
That's why I had a weak burp.
We watched that movie, We're Back to something like that, dinosaur movie.
Never heard of it.
There were families
Oh.
and something important, some person about a mouse that a mouse, a hedgehog or something, and a mole.
But I stole something from my brother that I have to eat.
You stole a Reese's.
I didn't know such thing. It was
There were
wet.
3 of them left, now there's only 2.
It's a Reese's, not a Reese's. Oh, the bottom's melted. What? You still want it? No?
You think that would stop me? It's Reese's.
Oh.
That's the chocolate Reese's.
Sorry. I want the middle, not the. Sorry. I just stabbed myself. I'm working on it.